like I like
Hey girl, it's Raya
and Andy.
And Katie.
and today we are doing the 500 peso skincare challenge. So actually, sinubukan ko mag-vlog but it's a fail as usual. Let's get looking.
Already? Oh.
How much is that?
Why are my lips so red?
We went to the SM department store, so we have all the goods. Before we begin and show you guys everything that we got, make sure to hit that subscribe button. If you haven't subscribed to her channel, make sure to do that. Also follow Andy on Instagram. They will all be linked down below.
If you are from my channel, you guys should totally go subscribe to her. She's my best friend. She has quality content.
Let's just go ahead and show what. Okay, so let's just tell them what our skin type is, because we all have very different skin types, so you can see which products will work for you based on who you can relate to.
Okay, I have really dry skin to the point that it hurts. So if you're like me, you know you need a lot of moisturizer.
So dry skin girls, focus on Andy.
I think I'm a combination, but I would be more on the dry end. My skin peels sometimes, but
No
it doesn't
pain.
hurt. I'm your in between.
I have the most oily skin, so oily girls, I got you. You want to just start with the haul? We're just gonna show you guys what we picked up.
I was really lucky to find this because Raya got really jealous.
Yeah,
so I
this is
found
so
this.
sulit, you guys. You should grab this if it's
Yeah.
still in store.
Oh, this is from Celotex. It has a facial wash, a toner, and a moisturizer, which is probably my whole routine. It's only 149. 49. It's small, but still, if you want to test it out first,
Yeah.
this is a good starting point. And then I always do SPF at the end because my derma told me, and I get acne marks, so I have red spots and stuff. And to make those red spots not get any worse, you need SPF, and it's always SPF 50 or more, and it's 166 pesos. And then we all just got this nose pack for
Nose
fun.
packs. This is only 20 pesos anyways.
Yeah, this is just a fun thing we'll do.
Fun thing! We're gonna be
Fun.
crying!
Since I already did 500 peso skincare video, in that video, I focused more on a nighttime skincare routine. So I wanted to switch it up a bit. So this is a skincare routine for the morning time. So I just got this argan oil makeup remover cleansing towelettes from Pure Derm in the morning if you feel like you still have some residue makeup, or if you broke the rules and slept with your makeup on the night before, then this is great. Next, I got this moisturizer. This one was 230 pesos, so a large chunk of the budget went to this. This one has SPF and it's matte. As I said, I have very oily skin, so I really need all of the matteness that I can get from every product. Then I also got the same nose pack. This is just a fun thing we'll do later on. And then I also got some eye cream because when you're a student, you know, you can't avoid staying up late, and when you stay up late, you get very beautiful under eye circles. You don't just want to start with the eye cream once you can see wrinkles there already, so we need to take some actions to prevent that. This one is only 60 pesos. And then lastly, I just got this tinted moisturizer because again, this is more of a daytime skincare. So this one was also 60 pesos.
Okay, well, mine was very simple. All I got was this. Wait, I don't know how to pronounce it.
Avene,
Avene?
yeah,
Is it Avene? She roasted me on all my incorrect pronunciations. So I got the Avene Hydrating Starter Kit. It was 500 something pesos, so still in the 500s, maybe.
I'll give her a pass.
It comes with 4 things: a serum, their famous thermal spring water, a lotion, and a light cream with SPF 20.
This is basically an entire skincare kit in one na. We're gonna try this out.
I think I'm start opening this.
Remove your makeup
Yeah.
first.
Oh, I'm trying it too.
Yeah,
Nice.
girl, we're all trying it.
Okay.
Okay,
Sharing
and
is
we're also
caring.
gonna be sharing this very tiny mirror budget cut. Yes,
Is it a bad sign that it
mirror.
smells good?
It smells like a flower.
How suspicious.
Isn't argan supposed to be
Okay.
kind of spicy?
Is that oregano?
No. I feel like I was wearing way more than this.
So you're saying it's not strong?
Ooh.
Here's some
Shade.
pressure.
Already some criticism
Okay, so
over here.
Pretty sure I
think
wore
I was
more.
wearing more than
Yeah.
I took off a lot already, but I don't really wear a lot. It smells good, but I'm suspicious of it.
I heard that when you buy things that are too scented,
Yeah.
it might irritate your
Right.
skin.
We'll update you guys if we get new
Breakout.
breakouts or
Yeah.
whatever. We'll post some pics.
Oh god.
No pics. How do I feel about this? I think it's good if you're just traveling and you need something quick.
Or if you're like super tired and you want to sleep but you
Yeah.
just need
I
to
feel
take
like
your
I'm-
makeup off.
I'm pressing so hard.
I know, right? I mean, this is
I
pretty
feel
much
like
my
it stings
skin.
a bit, or am I?
Yeah, because I think there's alcohol in it.
Yeah,
That's why.
right.
Okay, I think we've been doing this long enough. So do you want to do the nose pack? Because we need to do this before
Yeah, let's put that
everything,
on.
right?
I love doing these. Okay, it's
cry.
painful.
But I don't have Well, my derma said it's just my hair. Oh, I can't do it. Because when I do lasering, she said the hair has to be there.
Bye,
Everyone
Katie.
said after.
So we're gonna do it. This is so gross. Look at this. Show them. It's black. It's like
Because
octopus
it's
ink.
charcoal. I think I put too much on my finger. Help.
You're gonna get rid of your unibrow.
It's glooping. It looks so gross, you guys.
See, I think I've slathered too much on.
But it
Shout
we
out.
look beautiful. Yeah.
I'm not a
Wait, can you-
killjoy. I just have to see my derma tomorrow.
She's
can't.
professional and everything.
No,
We don't have derma.
Auntie just said she had a derma.
Can you pass
yeah,
me
I
your
do have a
thing?
derma.
What
Hi,
thing?
Doctora.
What is this thing made of?
Starting
It's
to,
glue.
I swear, I'm
No
pretty sure
way.
it's glue. It's just glue.
It feels very cooling.
It's so funny. You guys look like from afar, like Halloween makeup.
What's
feels
that
good.
guy from SpongeBob that has like a
Oh,
Squidward?
no, I know who.
Barnacle boy.
Yes, yes.
Merman.
Merman.
Merman and Barnacle Boy. Yeah.
In the meantime, I will do my first impressions for these, even though I already tried it at. The first thing I'm using is the toner, 2-in-1 cleanser and toner, so it should remove all your makeup but also cleanse.
Ooh, oh, she's ready with the
Oh my
content.
gosh, I think my hair got caught
Me
in the
too.
It feels much more gentle on my skin. Also, it picked up some leftover concealer, so clearly the wipes did not remove all of it.
Sadness.
That's wrong. Also, it doesn't sting my skin, unlike the other thing did.
Oh, the shade.
I really like this.
Oh, it's really starting to sting now.
Aww.
I'm not feeling it yet.
I'm gonna try it too.
I think it's gonna take like half an hour to dry just because I put like I put like the thickest layer.
It smells good. I like
Alright,
this.
same.
Oh, yours
Yeah.
is taking
Soft
a lot of.
Look.
Oh, those makeup wipes.
Yeah.
Maybe don't get these.
Mm,
Yeah, this
I look
is
like a true
taking off.
Filipino. Like,
What do you
I look
mean?
so dark and tan. I want to get more tan. Okay, so next
I'm gonna
we're
take
using
some
the
off.
thermal spring water. So what is this for?
You know how I was talking about the
Overall?
MAC Fix Plus?
Oh yeah.
It's like that.
Wait, so can I use this after I put my makeup or
Yeah.
Yeah. Some people just use it as like a hydrating.
Yeah.
no? Okay.
Spray.
Like if you ever
they-
feel dry.
Right.
Yeah.
Oh, but the thing is, I heard that Avene is literally just water though.
Placebo effect.
Avene and
Evian.
Evian.
Oh, those are the two I have.
Yeah, if you want legit cooling spray, I suggest the Mario Badescu one because that actually has rose water and herbs and stuff.
Move my nose.
Oh my god.
Sorry.
How was that?
Good. I mean, it's water.
Shake it up. Shake it up.
If you taste it, what would it taste like?
Harder. Put more.
Right, you tell me how it
Force.
tastes like.
Yeah, there you go.
Mm. Arm workout.
Katie was literally like doing this.
Oh, okay. Cover girl.
This is such a magulo video, but that's what happens when you get 3 girls in one
I know.
studio.
Like-
I think we did not think this through. We should
Yeah.
not have put on the mask.
Yeah.
Right. The next
We'll
thing I'm trying,
we'll
you
speed
put the serum
forward.
first, right, and then the cream.
Yeah.
A
I'm
bit
scared.
more. A bit more.
I'm
I
scared
think.
of putting too much.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Well, texture-wise, it starts off pretty creamy, and then when you mix it, it becomes really liquidy. I like that.
That one smells good.
I think
Yeah.
all these have a really natural scent. That's very calming.
Why is my nose getting runny?
It
I
feels
mean,
good. It hasn't irritated
yeah.
my skin, so I think we can't go wrong from there. And then lastly, this is a light hydrating cream.
It's getting
tight.
tight.
Ah.
Are you peeling already? Girl, it's too early.
No.
Oh, this one smells really good. And they're all very light scents. I feel like I got a facial. So
I hate
that's
it when
good.
it's so heavy. You don't want to feel like you have
Yeah.
stuff on your face.
Yeah. I do really like this. Is my face shiny?
Is there a zoom
looks
on
like
that? You gotta zoom here.
It looks like a healthy glow.
Oh, thank you. If she says it's a healthy glow, it's a healthy glow.
So update on the nose.
I put an ocean on my face.
An
Like this
ocean.
is not gonna
That's
dry.
like squid ink.
Yeah,
like you just gone to an oil spill.
I think
We're just gonna peel it early because, girl, we don't have all the time in the world.
Oh, yours is peeling pretty
Okay,
well.
it actually it hurts.
just yank it out.
I'm scared.
Oh.
Makeup wipes
Oh
are-
my god.
These makeup wipes are so bad to the point that I'm just gonna use it to wipe my hands.
Oh, sorry. It's like getting threaded but on my nose.
No.
Sometimes I
Do
make
you see
you
your
teary.
blackheads there?
Oh yeah, true. We didn't even check.
Let's look at her
You already
blackheads.
squished it.
Oh, I see some hair.
Well, thanks for getting rid of my hair. Not like that was bothering me. okay.
You're really tough. Ooh,
Thanks.
okay.
There's nothing. There's a lot of hair. I'd show you guys, but like, there's no way you'd be able to
Yeah.
see. Look, oh, look, oh, there's like hair.
Basically, she need a perfect nose.
Oh,
No, I don't.
That's like your mustache area.
painful. Oh
You say
god.
mustache?
What do you say?
Mustache.
Mustache.
I'm saying
British.
She's British.
Mustache? Did you say mustache?
Mustache.
Mustache. Mustache.
Mustache.
Sorry.
Okay, Katie's our mom for
Thanks,
this video.
Katie. I feel like we should have gotten this strip.
Yeah.
I don't think I got anything.
All that pain for nothing.
Ow.
Ow. Ow for you.
So, review. My nose area just feels really numb now.
That was not satisfying.
It was only 20 pesos, so maybe that's why. Okay, so now that we're finally done with that, we can move on. The next thing that I'm going to be using is the Celatech Sun Care Matte Moisturizer. Just gonna shake it. It's like a good texture, actually. Oh, it's very white. If this leaves a white cast on my face,
Oh,
I'm
God.
gonna be sad. I don't think I like this. It's making me white. This is not who I am. Is it
You
fine?
blended it fine, yeah.
Yeah, okay. As I'm looking at it now, I can't really tell if it's... Sorry, you can let it go. I can't tell if it's a good matte moisturizer because it's, what, like 5 p.m.? So it's not really out. Then I'm gonna use the Eye Lift Cream. When you apply your eye creams, you want to use your ring finger because it's your weakest finger. Pat, pat, pat. So...
Okay, while you're doing that, I'm gonna try the toner. So it says it's alcohol free, and then there's witch hazel extract, which is pretty good.
Alcohol free, I'm like Andy.
Yeah.
Just kidding.
Why are you so savage? So if you have dry skin, alcohol free stuff is good because alcohol tends to dry out your skin.
True. And lastly, I got this tinted moisturizer. So this is makeup and skincare in one. I'm not sure if they have different shades. Okay.
That looks okay.
I don't think you can see it, but the usual Filipino skin tone.
Yeah, not too light, not too dark. Also, look at how much that makeup remover didn't pick up.
My
Is it
gosh.
seeing? Yeah.
Yeah, you put it against
I
the
love
light.
when toners do that. You get
Right,
a
I
pad,
love
and
the
then you
makeup.
realize how much is still on your
Yeah.
face.
I love
So,
that moment.
It's,
Like,
it's
wow, I
fun.
was really dirty.
So I'm just gonna apply that all
Oh, it
over
has
my
zinc
face.
oxide. Zinc
What's
oxide
that?
is a ingredient for...
Okay, chemist.
Yeah.
I didn't know that! It says that helps protect skin
Whoa.
against sun
Whoa.
damage.
I'm gonna try the facial
God.
moisturizer that came in my pack. What I didn't realize is it says it's water-based and oil-free. I'm not used to these types of moisturizers because look, it's like a gel. I use like cream and stuff. I
That's
don't
it.
like mine. I think it's because it's a gel and it's not my type. I feel like it's not sinking into my skin.
Wow, Andy, keeping it real. I like that. You know, gotta say some bad stuff.
So this, obviously, coverage very, very low, but what do you expect from a tinted moisturizer? I personally prefer light coverage because I don't really like looking like I have a lot of foundation on. So I think I could work with this. At least it didn't make me look white. That's my... That's just the only...
I love that though. Because like all the Filipino products are like extra whitening. Extra,
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, this is whitening.
right,
Because like
Filipino pride.
I totally didn't even notice that. I'm sorry, Quick FX. I should have praised you for that. Even Filipino brands, which I will not name, usually their foundations or BB creams are so light, and I'm like, you're literally a Filipino brand. Filipinos are dark. Not everyone wants to be white, okay?
now I'm gonna try the sunscreen.
Is
Let's
that a
go.
whitening?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And white.
Why can't you just protect?
We're getting
Why
tired
do you
of
have
the
to
sun.
whiten?
Oh no, I'm white.
Oh,
Oh.
no.
Oh no. So if you're whiter than me, I think this will be okay. 'cause
If you're
I
like
won't be that
Katie,
noticed.
okay, Katie's
Yeah,
not
no.
even that white actually.
Yeah, I'm really yellow.
I don't think I'm such a big fan of this. It feels greasy. I'm so brutal.
I know.
I love it. Like
Katie's,
we bound. I was like,
Andy's being real.
I'm brutal.
I don't. To be fair, I don't really have much to compare to. If it doesn't irritate my skin and it
It's
feels
good.
good, it's good.
It makes me look like a ghost. It's not an everyday sunscreen.
Oh, I'm really bothered about my nose. I swear if I break out beauty fix, I'm coming for you.
It's so greasy. I need to wash my
Okay.
hands. I'm sorry.
As Andy washes her hands, I guess we'll just give a review and if we recommend it or not.
Well, I would recommend mine because my face feels really nice now. I think I could go to sleep like this. It really does soothe me and it smelled really nice. It was really gentle on my skin. I'd recommend it.
For me, the Argan Oil Makeup Remover, it's not the best makeup remover. As you saw when we used the toner, there was still some residue makeup. But again, this was 109 pesos. So, I mean, you get what you pay for. And it did take off most of our makeup. So if you're in a desperate situation where you just need to take your makeup off ASAP, I feel like this is still better than nothing. The next thing that we used was the Beauty Fix Nose Pack. I don't think it did anything except make my nose hurt. I'm just so bad at spotting blackheads and whiteheads. So I don't know if it's because I don't have any or I just didn't take any of them off. I would say no to this.
Yeah, I've tried strips before and I know I have blackheads and that didn't remove anything. So,
Listen
yeah.
to her. She's the expert. Next, the Celatech Matte Moisturizer. Again, I can't really tell if it's good at mattifying the skin. But so far, like, my face feels good. It doesn't feel heavy. It just looks very dewy. So for me, I still give this a thumbs up. And then for the eye lift cream, we both tried it.
For mine, it stung a bit, but I feel my under eyes are kind of more sensitive.
For me, I can't really tell. I mean, my under eyes look good. They look normal. So I guess
That's
thumbs
'cause
up.
The summer sleeping.
That's true.
Schedule.
That's true. 12-hour sleeping schedule. And then for the tinted moisturizer, I like it actually. It looks very natural, just very my skin but better type of thing, and I like it.
So for me, this traveler's pack, I didn't get to try the facial wash, but I think I've used this before and it's not bad. And then this alcohol-free toner, I'd give this a thumbs up. I liked it. It removed leftover makeup. It didn't feel drying. And this facial moisturizer, for me, not a gel person. If you like gel, then go for it. And then this one, I'd pass on this. Like, it made me as white as a ghost. It's greasy. It's oily, so nope.
Okay, so that is everything. That is this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to click that like button and click that subscribe button. And of course, subscribe to Katie's channel and follow Katie and Andy on
Katie and
I was like Katie and Andy on social media. Again, all of our links will be down below. I'll see you guys next week for another video. And always remember, you're just as beautiful with makeup as you are without. Bye!
That's a wrap on the
That's a
skincare.
wrap! Cut!
Woo!